In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print orders in WooCommerce. Whether you're managing an online store or just getting started, being able to quickly and efficiently print invoices or packing slips is a crucial part of running your business. It keeps your documentation organized and ensures a seamless process for order fulfillment. Today, I'll walk you through the steps to set this up using a simple plugin. Don't worry if you're new to this, I'll explain everything in detail and make it easy for you to follow along. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is open your WordPress dashboard. This is the main control panel for your website where you can manage all of your site's settings, content, and features. Once you're in the dashboard, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. You'll see an option labeled Plugins. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you're in the Plugins section, which is where you can manage and add new functionality to your WordPress site. To add the tool we need, click on the Add New button. This will take you to a page where you can search for plugins directly from the WordPress repository. In the search bar at the top right corner of this page, type in WooCommerce PDF invoices, packing slips, delivery notes, and shipping labels by WebToffee. This is the plugin we'll use to enable printing for your WooCommerce orders. It's a reliable and widely used plugin, so you should have no trouble finding it. Once you've entered the name, the plugin should appear in the search results below. Take a moment to double check that you're selecting the correct one. When you're sure, click the Install Now button. The installation process should only take a few moments. Once it's done, you'll see a new button that says Activate. Click that, and the plugin will be ready to use on your site. With the plugin activated, the next step is to navigate to the WooCommerce section in your dashboard. You'll find this in the same left-hand menu as before. Hover over WooCommerce and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, click on Orders. This will open a page displaying a list of all the orders made through your online store. Find the specific order you'd like to print. You can do this by scrolling through the list or using the search function if you have a lot of orders. Once you've located the order, click on it. This will take you to the order details page, where you can see all the information related to that particular transaction. On the order details page, look for a button labeled Print Invoice. This is the feature we just enabled with the plugin. Click on it and you'll be presented with a few options. You can choose to view the invoice directly in your browser, download it as a PDF, or send it straight to your printer. Select the option that best suits your needs. If you choose to print the invoice, your device will prompt you to select a printer. Make sure your printer is properly connected and ready to go. If you're downloading the invoice, your browser will ask you to choose a location on your computer to save the file. Pick a folder where you'll be able to easily find it later. And that's it. You've successfully printed an order from WooCommerce. This process is quick and efficient, and once you've done it a couple of times, it'll become second nature. With this system in place, you can manage your orders and documentation with ease. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.